Welcome everybody. Good morning. Good morning everybody. So it is Thursday and the market's doing all right for some stocks that we hunted yesterday. So let's get right to it. Let's wait everybody to come in to start our live streaming for today. And hopefully we have a green day. Yeah, it's raining now. I love the sound of the rain. Good morning everybody. Thank you. This is autocorrect. Yes, let me just change it right now. Earnings. What about now? Perfect. Welcome everybody. Welcome. We watching CLLS testing our resistance that we discussed yesterday, or profit taking the $3.29. So it looked good. Good morning. Yes, everybody. Yesterday we hunted two stocks for our elite hunters. Starbucks doing all right. We have a great hunt, guys, for Starbucks, and we be ready to take profit on Starbucks right now. In the pre-market is 12%, and we entered around the 91.25 yesterday. So we have a huge pump for Starbucks, 12%. Let me just bring Starbucks here. S-Box. Yeah, Starbucks looking perfect. We're hitting the first profit taking, guys. Now it's going toward the second profit taking, as we discussed yesterday, the 104.22. Nice hunt, everybody. We have a huge pump for Starbucks. Good morning. Good morning, Sabah al Khair, bonjour, konnichiwa, buenos dias, wherever you are. Welcome. Oh man, it's raining. It's really windy here in France. Yeah. Yesterday I couldn't even sleep. I woke up in the middle of the night because I thought like the window would be broken or something. It was crazy night, really windy. And today when I went out from my place, I saw like trees is falling off, and I think we have mini storm here just for the people who don't know France, we don't have tornadoes like United States, so it's really rare. We have just really fast winds, so it's pretty safe here. We don't have any animals, wild animals. We don't have tornadoes, so it's pretty safe. And sometimes getting boring, you know. Sunray, we did actually warn our hunters for Starbucks. We could hunt or focus on just one. So we just focus on Starbucks because it had really great earnings. For Palantir, I don't like the technical that much. That's why I don't have confidence to put Palantir on our elite hunter swing trade. So we did Starbucks instead, and we had a great hunt for Starbucks instead for Palantir. Let's party, LF Williams. Good morning. So we got OLIT. LF Williams asked about this. Let me just check. This one have a pump and dump scheme, so I don't like this one. We have a question from one of our hunter about Soul. I don't know if you're watching here. If you're watching, let me know. One of our hunter on our Patreon asked us about this coin. If you're watching, brother, just let me know so I could show you the levels for this crypto coin. Kurt, of course I like Starbucks because we already hunted for this one yesterday. But I'm gonna take profit, guys, on Starbucks because it's getting near major resistance and profit taking the 104. So I'm gonna close this one. As you can see here, we did it yesterday for our elite hunters, and of course we did the other update for CLLS yesterday. We had the profit taken around the 328, I think. Let me just check. CLS 29, or yes, exactly. So we hit the profit taken actually $3.28, and yeah, $3.28. You see what's happened here? We hit the profit taken. Now is the resistance, and the price went down. So yeah, it was good hunt, guys, for CLS. We bought around this bottom and we sold everything around the first profit taken. Then we went until the second profit taken. So this one might be good for today, guys. And put it on the list with Starbucks. I'll put it on the list. CLLS. We might hunt it for today as well because we hunted yesterday. We closed our trade, of course. Starbucks, CLLS, BTAI, IBRX, AMC looking good. Not bad, still holding. So yeah, we have just two, guys. Starbucks, CLLS. We might hunt CLLS on the market open. It look really beautiful here. Still strong. Gerhard changed his name to Kurt. Okay, now I can remember your name because Kurt Cobain from Nirvana. I can't just resemble your name to the best singer, I think. Kurt Cobain from Nirvana. I think you know him. So never forget your name now. It's simpler. And of course you have the star next to your name, so it's easy to see you and reply to you, brother. Theodore, SIDU. Yeah, as IDU, we have resistant tether around the. Let me just check this one. I don't trust. No, 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 no. I don't trust the resistance. It's not that strong. Okay, it looked dicey here. Yeah, we have a pullback now. Okay, it's IDU. I don't like it, man. It's really dicey. We don't have a major or prominent resistance, so that's why we have a pullback and the breakout here. So yeah, this one look dicey, but we have a support over the 8 cents. Profit taken is the 19 and 25, but we don't have resistance, guys. It's tricky here, so if you want to enter, it's really risky. But if you're already in, just make sure to take profit around the 19, 25 and 35 if we broke or if we pumped, because now it's 36% up. Again, Starbucks is pulling back, of course, because we have major resistance before the market open. Guys, hit the like button and the way in. Show some love. It's Thursday, guys. It's Thursday and it's raining. It's raining and it's windy. We have a huge storm here. But whatever, storm, whatever it is, we have to do our live streaming. Okay? There is no excuse. There is no excuse here on our Hunter channel. So plus the like button, guys. Show some love to our Hunter community. And of course, you can share our live streaming with your friends and family if they want to know how to trade, of course. If they have the capacity to trade. Okay. Let's have fun, guys. Let's have fun. We have just 15 minutes. 15 minutes on the market open. Let's have fun. Let's have a green day. Guys, we have another stock that we have to watch is ABMB. Yes, ABMB is about to squeeze as well. We'll see. Yeah, PayPal doing good. Shopify doing good. Palantir doing good. Yeah, so we have many stocks to watch, and we might have some action for today. Let's go. So let me just bring A, B, and B because it looked good as well. We talked about it yesterday. We don't have a breakout yet. We have a breakout. We might have the same action as for AMD yesterday when the price broke on the market open. So we might have a huge test for ABMB because we have a huge earnings yesterday, 213% suppress for the earnings. This is, I think, the first time for this year. But we didn't have the same reaction as Starbucks. Starbucks almost 12%, but ABMB is just 2%. So we have to break this resistance to make the short cover and give us a huge pump for ABMB and give us at least 8% for today. Yes, 8% would be good. Once we break the 122.58. Yeah, Nicolas still barcoding. Jacob, do you think AMC will run before the earnings? Yes, brother. But if we didn't, we have to hold over the 9 because after the earnings, if we have a really good news, we might have a breakout during the earnings. So if we want to break or have a squeeze before the earnings, we need to hold right now over the $9.66 and break the 11.44 or 11.14. This is it. As we discussed before, we have to hold. We have to hold. Hold your places. LMDX, not good. I just took it from the list. I took it from the list because I don't like it. Yes, we have a huge pullback down toward the support. We have a major resistance around the 1450, so I don't like it one bit. Theodore Gates, is that a stock? It's called nice, or you just say nice because you like what you're hearing. Yeah, Mira Sweeb, he want to buy Ferrari because he bought PayPal and margin. Okay, so let's see. So technically you bought 500,000 of PayPal yesterday and you slept and you woke up with 6% on this 500,000 and now you got almost 33,000. CLLS, where to enter? Over the support, if we held, it would be good entry. Guys, press the like button on the way in. Press the like button on the way in. Let's see if we're gonna have a breakout for ABNB around the 122 before the market open, because we have just 10 minutes. This is really critical moment, guys. Really critical moment for ABNB. If we broke here, game on. Game on for ABNB. For Starbucks, is the game is still on because we are 11% up. We'll be ready to close our position that we opened yesterday for ABNB. We have 11%, and now we be ready to close this trade that we opened for our elite one-day swing trade. It was really good buying the dip here. We spotted this pattern. Breakout is about to happen, we said, around this ascending channel. It was really good technical. That's why we choose Starbucks over Palantir, even though even Palantir went up, but I don't like the technical. That's why we choose Starbucks instead. That's why we have a nice clean breakout, held our support, and we pumped. We had the first profit taken, second profit taken is there. I'm still holding this one. I'm gonna close it on the market open, because on the market open we might have another kick, then flush down. I will see if we're gonna have this reaction on the market open. Otherwise I'm gonna close it if we broke the 99. Okay, my brother, I don't know if you are here. Someone asked me about this coin. I don't know if you are here or not. I told you that I'm gonna check it for you on our live streaming. So I'm gonna check it for you now, brother. So Solo, USD Tether, this one, guys, this one had profit taken around the 46. We already triggered it. So this is our resistance in the current situation. We already have a breakout from the 38. So this one looking good, was one of the top gainer on the coin list now, and that's why it's still pumping up. Let me just adjust the support bottom if we have a reversal. Yeah, this one is doing all right. So we have the 46 now as a resistant. If we have a pullback, we should hold the 28. Profit taken 58, 78 for Sol or Solo. This one looking good. This one, guys, looking pretty nice. I'm gonna take it from the list because we have to watch the stocks, guys. Stocks, not crypto. Stocks, we have to watch the stocks here. Okay, we have a bit of pullback for ABNB, Starbucks as well. CLLS pulling back. Guys, this is always the case. When the market open, we have a bit of sentiment. Many pre-market traders close their position before the market open because we have this kind of scenarios. People who trading pre-market don't trade during the market. People who trading during the market, they don't trade pre-market or after hours, and some percentage trade after hours. So we have some barrier here. Some people close their position before the market open because they are this is their strategy, you know. They don't trade when once the market open. So that's why we have a bit of pullback for those stocks. Okay. Let's see. Rocco. This one might be it. This one might be good. Whoa, this one is pumped as well after a huge earnings. I was watching this one, but I don't like the trend as well. Yeah, we pumped pretty good, 16%. Rocco. This one might go down, guys, because yeah, this one might go down now. It's time to go down because we have major resistance around the 74. So this one might go down. Rocco. ABMB, come on. We need another kick on the market open because this is not it. We have a huge earnings for BMB, guys. Big earnings. I think for this holiday season, ABMB have a good revenue for because everybody knows ABMB is related to renting, and a lot of people use ABMB during Christmas. We'll see. Okay, guys, the market is about to open. I'm watching those stocks, Starbucks, CLLS, because those the one that we have to watch for today and hunt. Let me just check our star screener here. We might have some unicorn hidden like this one. Okay, this one pumping, but not good technically. We had or we have this one, BS. Okay, pumping, not good. Okay, I think we are good, guys. We have BTAI, and this one might be good as well for today. They didn't stop giving. BTAI and IBRX. Man, we hunt them here back last October, and we did a really nice jump from the end of October here, guys. Almost 60%, as you can see here on our unicorn hunt. We already discussed mini stocks. IBRX, it was around the end of October. After that, BTAI, and we hit all the profit taken for them. So that's why it's still on our list for both of them. We might have a continuation. Okay, everybody. So BTI and IBRX looking good because both of them holding a nice support. CLLS, we might have an entry if we hold the $2.86, but we have a big seller, guys, around the $3.29. As we discussed before, for CLLS, we said profit taking, guys, $3.28. As you can see here, $3.28, we hit it. That's why the price went down. And the entry was around the $2.20. It was perfect entry. So we're gonna do updates later on, guys, if we broke the support or resistance. Of course, after we finish our live streaming, because we always do our live streaming after we finish our live streaming, we do our update on our Discord and Patreon. Again, guys, don't forget to press the like button. We have 44 people watching, or 44 likes, but 111 people watching. Come on, don't be NBC. Do reaction, dislike or like our live streaming. Do something, guys. Do something. And let's have a party today because we have 3 minutes or almost 2 minutes on the market open for Thursday, the 2nd of November. Christmas coming early. Christmas coming early for those stocks. Again, disclaimer. Remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence. We're not financial advisor here. And of course, let the price come to you and never run after the price. This is the most important rule that we have in our Hunter channel. So if this is the first time for you, remember this rule. Put it in front of your mirror, put it in front of your computer. In order, oh man, what's going on? Whoa, ABNB, I think we have a squeeze. Yes, we have a squeeze for ABNB, guys. Breaking out before 2 minutes. I think we're gonna have a squeeze for ABNB, guys, and Starbucks going down. So for Starbucks, I'm gonna close it because it's pulling back, and ABNB is testing our resistance. Oh man, we're gonna have a huge action, guys, because we have just a test for ABNB around this level. Really nice. Let's have fun. Okay, guys, let's get right to it. The market is almost opened and we have 2 minutes. ABNB have a good reaction around this resistance. We have a nice test there. Yeah, this is it. Let's see a breakout around the 123. We're watching for a breakout. Starbucks as well. 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left and watching. Yes, the markets. Let's see if we're gonna have action for ABNB as well on the market open. And CLLS is pushing down. Of course, this one we might have a flash down, guys. Watch out. Let's go and see a huge green day for those stocks. ABNB, come on, we need a pump toward the 129 for today market. One, two, three, and lift off. Starbucks is holding. ABNB is pulling back. Okay, Starbucks. Let's go to Starbucks. Let me just check if we could take some profit here for Starbucks. Starbucks. I think would be good to take profit. We might have a flush here for Starbucks. Yeah, I'm gonna take profit here. Let's check again. If we hold. Okay, we holding. Gonna keep it a bit. Yeah, we might have a test for the 104, then we flush. You know what? I'm gonna close it here. Okay, Starbucks, we close it, guys. We might have a flush. And Airbnb as well, we might close it because we might have a flush as well. Yeah, ABNB, we have big seller around this level. Yeah, big seller around the 123. Just come in on the market open. Okay, Starbucks, we might have a flush now because as we said, the 104 is the resistance. Let us switch to CLLS because it's pumping now. It just held our support over the $2.86. BTI not good. IBRX nope. AMC looking good. AMC looking good, 3% for today. Yeah, Starbucks, I think we're gonna have a push down now. A bit of push down because this is the resistance. As we discussed yesterday, guys, as we discussed yesterday on our elite hunters for Starbucks, it was a good hunt. We closed our position around the second profit taken. And unicorn hunt CLS still looking dicey. Okay, let me just take this. This one looking a bit dicey. Yeah, still looking dicey here. CLLS, guys, the short seller is still adding, but we're still holding. If we broke this support, it means we're gonna have a flush for today. We might have a red day for this stock. If we broke this trend, guys, we might have a red day. Yes. CLLS, we might have a red day for today if we flush below this AMA. If we don't have a huge wick here, is mean a weakness, is mean a flush down. This is it. We should hold right now. Should be the support. BTI, IBRX, AMC looking really good, guys. AMC 4%. As we said, the $9.66 is our bottom. That should be our bottom. Yeah, AMC looking good. You see what's happened, guys? You see what's happened for ABNB? As we said, ABNB, we said there's a resistance. If we broke it, we're gonna have a squeeze, but guess what? Boom, we got shorted. 123, big seller added here around the resistance. Wasn't good idea to enter because we didn't break the resistance. Now it's flashing down. So this is was a pull trap, guys, for ABNB. The price been pumping pre-market, then dumped down now, almost 2%. Yikes, this is really dangerous. CLS is still holding, guys. Are we gonna have a reversal? Let me know in comment section below. Are we gonna have a reversal for this stock? Nicola, many of you asking Nicola here. Let me just drop it. Yes, Nicola is still holding the support. I will keep it here for you guys. AMC looking good, guys. 4%. We might have a new high for today around the $11. Watch out. The support is around the 966. The good thing that we bought back before the support. We got earnings coming up 6 days. That's why we might have a pump before the earnings. So we have to be ready for this movement. You see what's happened? AMC is squeezing, but still Not confirmed yet. It's not confirmed yet. We have to break the $10.8 to confirm that. John, OLT. Or OIT. I don't find it, brother. It's not there. I think wrong ticker symbol. Nicholas, it's better late than sorry, brother. We watching still CLLS. We already closed our position for Starbucks that pumped really good from yesterday. And yeah, we're still watching CLS. We said the $2.86 is the reversal zone. Yes, AMC might pump before the earnings, of course, brother. PayPal pulled back big time. We lost the profit that we did in the morning. So that's why, yeah, we hit with major resistance for PayPal. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget AMC. Yes, we might have a squeeze before the earnings. Exactly, John. OLIT. Please always make sure to write the ticker symbol. Yes, this one have a pump and dump. We discussed in the beginning our video. But we have to hold the support now over the 1337 or the 1339. Now it's pumping. The high is around the 37. Yeah, this one is really risky, brothers and sisters. This one is really risky, but yes, really risky. And I don't like the trend that much. I don't like this short that opened around the 37. Look, we pumped for today almost 200 and we lost 62% in one day. This is crazy, man. Because people have high expectation, man. When they have high expectation for something, but the thing, when the earning come, the expectation is lower, of course we have high price action and FOMO price action. But if you're strategic and you're smart, you can actually use this high price or the pump before the earnings and you take profit, you enter and exit. You don't be fooled by this overextended price. Still holding CLLS. AMC still pumping. IBRX. ICU, light volume, man. I don't like the light volume reaction here. Barcoding now is pumping. Yeah, ICU is really tricky to trade. AMC looking good for today. We have a big buyer over the 10. CLLS, maybe we might have a reversal here, but we have to confirm that, man. We have to confirm that. Because sometimes we have this kind of pump and dump or a fake out. Let's see if we're gonna break this AMA here, because the short seller adding here around the $3.10. So if we don't break this area, it's mean flushing down. That's why we have to be strategic here. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a flash down. Let's see if we got something moving here. Tesla's moving 4%. Nice. We have a good reversal from the bottom, guys. The 190 as we discussed before. Ford started to reverse from our bottom as we discussed before, $9.60. ALDX, brothers and sisters, watch out. There is a big thing going on for this one. Yo, watch out. Watch out for ALDX. I'm gonna take it here. This one is really looking dangerously good because we have a squeeze about to happen for ALDX. Palantir doing 18%, TGTX 4%, Nvidia, nice. SoFi 6%. What's going on with SoFi? We have a breakout. Oh yes. We have bad earnings, but the price reversed anyway. Okay, so this one, SoFi, looking good actually. Really interesting. What else we have? NEO pumped 5%. So EV market doing all right today. EV market, guys, doing all right. Okay, so what's going on with this one? 25 from the bottom. We got XIN. Whoa, I think this one hitting the second profit taken. I think we did the short analysis update for our hunter. You see we have a breakout from the $1.55, hitting the $1.84, now hitting the $2.47. Yeah, this one looking good. Going to the third profit taken. Okay, so let's go back and add ALDX. This one might be good for today. Might be. Guys, don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget, bless, slap, whatever your finger can do it on the like button. And remember, when you hit the like button, you can turn it to blue. This is a really my favorite color, guys, because right now if you don't hit the like button, is white, you know. So hit it in order to turn it to blue. My favorite color. Nikola pump. Nikola will pump after we break the resistance, brother. Yes, look at this. This one got shorted big time here back in Friday, 13th of October. Friday the 13th. Got shorted and now started to reverse. ALDX might be good with this one that's still holding. This one might be good for short for today. This one might be short now. What's gonna be? Look at this. This is it. If we broke here, guys, game over. Game over. The first signal for weakness for CLLS. It was a nice hunt here, guys. This was entry and here exit. As we discussed before, CLS here, enter, exit, $3.28, and that's why $3.28 hit it, we're going down. So if we broke this circle, guys, here, game over. But we're still holding it. We're still holding it for CLS. ALDX doing all right. Starbucks going back down, so it was wise from us to close it. Let me just check if we have an entry for this one, ALDX. Maybe we're gonna have something for this one. Yeah, this one is about to break the 2.74. Light volume, but we might have something here. This one might be good. IBRX. Yo, this one might be good. Is about to do something. IBRX, guys. We have that one. We have IBRX as well, doing all right. Nikola 5%, not bad. 111, 112. Yes, Nikola, we might have a squeeze after all. We held perfectly around this area. Look at this. Look at that. Huge accumulation. And now Nikola might squeeze because we have really bad earnings and the price is squeezing. You see, for those stocks, it make no sense when you have bad earnings like this. But as we see, for those stocks, earnings doesn't matter because it depends on the future. We have a future projection of the price. So if they lose money right now, doesn't matter. The investor thinking about the big picture. So Nikola, we have bad earnings and the price pump, and here we have good earnings, then the price dump down. You see, this is good earnings, price dump, and here bad earnings, price pumped. So for Nikola, once you see bad earnings, you just buy. This is really funny. But yes, as we said, this doesn't matter for Nikola, at least for Nikola. IBRX doing all right. CLLS, I think we're gonna have a flush here. Yeah, flushing down. Look at this. Flushing down. Yeah, CLS is flashing down. Broke our support. Would be good entry later on around the $2.46 maybe. But now let me just check this one because it have a huge range because it's reversed from the bottom. Not yet, not good yet. ALDX on the other hand, maybe. IBRX getting near a breakout zone, everybody. And Nikola looking good. We might have a squeeze right now for Nikola. Yes, Nikola might be good. Yeah, Nikola, we might have something for Nikola today, guys. But we have a huge resistance coming up around the $1.16. Let's see if we're gonna have a breakout from this resistance right now. $1.16, guys, breakout. Okay, Nikola is pumping, guys. $1.17. This is it. Nikola is moving 10%. Testing our resistance. This is it. $1.17. We might have the $1.25 easily. $1.25. Now $1.17. I will put Nikola down there because it's moving. Let me just check if we got something here. MULN is moving as well, just 5%. TUP 7%. And we have a huge green market here. Okay, Nikola is still testing the resistance. Yeah, TUP doesn't move. MULN is moving, but little. CLLS, I think we're gonna have a flush for today, yes. IBRX, still not that big a move. Yes, let's watch Nikola, guys. Nikola have earnings today. We might have some action for Nikola for today. Yeah, Nikola is heavily shorted, of course, brother. Nikola, we might have a huge action for today. You have Nikola, AMC, MULN, those stocks that are really heavily shorted. But we have a bit of struggle here. AMC. AMC doing all right. We have a kind of U-shaped recovery here. Yesterday the short shorted and now the buyer buying. Today will be good for Friday, guys, to test the 1114. Will be a good preparation for squeeze. We need to get near this orange line. Nicola, guys, Nicola might give us some sugar for today. Guys, hit the like. We watching Nicola squeeze. This is exclusive live streaming, guys. Hit the like button before our YouTube or the short seller hinder our YouTube channel, because once you like the video, our YouTube channel will be spreading to other hunters. And what we spreading here, what we talking here is really critical to make many stocks to actually pump and actually make the short seller cover. And this is why we don't why we say like the video, because YouTube algorithm short seller try to make our live streaming not visible, because it's dangerous for the short seller. So let's make it harder for the short seller and make them cover. CLS is still holding. We have just a kiss of that with the wick. We didn't close below. Interesting. RVPH. John, RVPH, nothing much, man. Still, we have support $3.58, resistant $6.79 as we discussed before. Profit 9.16. So nothing changed. Light volume. Light. Nicola's pulling back, guys, are under resistance still. MNTS. Let's check this one. I think it is on the other list. MNTS. Let me just check. Yeah, the resistance here has been tested right now. We'll see if we break it. 411. Doing all right. Yes, MNTS doing all right. Thank you, brother, for bringing this up. Tribal Turk. Next level. Yes, Nicola looking good for entry. Once we break the $1.16, we didn't break it, man. We just kiss it. We have a kiss here. This is the kiss, but we got rejected. You know, if you want to kiss a girl and she rejecting you, this is the same. What happened here? We have a kiss, but we don't have a French kiss. Just little kiss on the cheek. And the price went down, so we don't have any connection yet. For MNTS, MNTS looking interesting. Light volume as well, so we have to be patient with this one. CLLS still holding, but look weak, man. You see here, if we broke there, this would be game on. Or game over. It's raining. It's raining money here in France. Alvaro, it's a huge day, brother. Today is a huge day. It depends on where you look. So sometimes you see a slow day, but sometimes it's a huge day in pre-market, but slow day during the market. And sometimes is during the market is really huge in pre-market. Usually pre-market always have action, you know. Even we have a red market or slow day, pre-market there's always action. But yeah, because we have some news dropping in pre-market, that's why. Guys, let's hit the 100 likes. We got 19 lucky NPCs. As everybody knows, NPCs is the people who don't react, don't do anything. Like in a game, when you play in a game, the NPCs is the non-playable character. You can see them around you. They don't have objective. So don't be those character guys. Interact with our live streaming, chat, like, dislike, do whatever. Let us know if you don't like something, or you don't like my hair. Maybe I'll cut it for you. Just let me know. If you don't communicate, if you don't say what you don't like, we don't have something, you know. As for any relationship, if you don't talk with your spouse or your girlfriend or whatever, the relationship will never work, you know. You have to talk, you have to express your feeling, man. You have to be honest. There's no games here. Some people say, okay, man, if you be honest, you never actually attract the girl, or you never attract people because people will hate you. Yes, this is of course true, but you only attract the right people for you. So if you be like yourself and be honest, you only attract the people who actually at the same energy level. So you don't have a drama, man. You don't have games. For me, I don't like games because I really have a huge game here in stock market. I have so much drama here alone in trading. So I don't need the drama in my life. So this is why when I look for a partner, I try to be most honest in the first 1 hour. You know, I ask direct question. Make life really simpler, you know. Volunteer got great hair. Thank you, Jacob. Yes, CLLS is still holding the support. Hear the sound of life. The sound of life, man. I love the rain. MNTS is bumping. BTAI breaking the support. Let me just put it up here. ALDX is pulling back. ALDX. Yes, Nicola, guys. Nicola. Have a struggle. Call the medic. Call the doctor. Nicola have a heart attack. Nicola need a bit of push here. RCKY on the move. Let me decide if it is moving. No, man. No. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. This is like flying an airplane or flying on an airplane with one engine. You don't have other engine to save you. You know that airplane have many engines, at least two. You know, if one get destroyed, the other one will work in order to not wreck the airplane. So the same with this one, man. This one have one engine moving. So if the engine stopped working, this one will free fall down, crash down. So I don't like this kind of I don't like to play this game. Sunray, if you want to hit it and quit it, you have to have a parachute. For this one, you have to have a parachute. You know, like some people say, you don't have to fall in love with something, or you just be emotional. Not emotional. But this is kind of nonsense. Unless you are a serial killer or something, everybody have an emotion, you know. If you don't have emotion or interaction with anybody, it mean you don't care about the person, or the person is not your type, you know. But if you like the person, or the person have an impact on your life, you have to have reaction, you have to have feeling, you know. If this person did something, or like, let me just give an example. It's like you buy something really special, or like you bought your new home or new car, you attach your feeling to it, you know. It's like this is your car. When you buy it, it's not normal car anymore, it's your car. And even if someone told you to sell it, you want to have more money that you actually worth it. It's like, because it's yours. It's not a car, because it's yours. It's have an emotional attachment to it. Sunray, stocks are people, brother. Who buy stocks? Who working in stocks? Are people. So it's the same. There's no difference. Nicola pumping down. We have a warning sign. We have a big seller adding here, $1.16. So Nicola is not ready yet until we break the $1.16, guys. AMC looking good, still holding. IBRX is still holding. CLLS is still holding the support. So yeah, we have a bit of slow market here. Not that slow for Starbucks, because we did 11%. Yeah, let me just check something here. Yeah, Starbucks, because guys, we already closed our position for Starbucks because we discussed it yesterday here on our elite 1 day swing trade that we always do before the market close. If we have a good setup, of course. We discussed Starbucks breakout zone. We did even A, B, and B, but the price got rejected around the resistance. But for Starbucks, we have a clean breakout, and we went until the second profit taking almost. We took profit on the market open because we suggested the price would go down, went down, and still holding. So Starbucks did almost 12% on the market open because we have a huge earning. There is no difference, brother. It's like you told me, what's the difference between water and oil? If you go back in a smaller time frame, they are made of atoms, both of them. The same interaction of atoms. So if you go deeper in smaller picture, there's no difference in anything. Anything. I mean anything. Even the laptop. There is no difference between laptop and a human being. Okay? There's fine line between living things and non-living things. But if you go back in the quantum mechanic, there's no difference. It's just atoms. And even science doesn't know what's make things are living things, or the spirit, or the. This is kind of religious thing, because if you go deeper on this understanding, what's the difference between the something living and the other not living? Is not about breathing, but we think about the subconscious mind and the way of expression and feelings. You can have it like with let's say rock, but if you go back in the subatomic particles, there's no difference. There's no difference between anything. There is no right or wrong, brother. I'm not trying to say you are wrong. I'm just saying there's no difference. There is no comparison when you say stocks or people inside the stocks. So there is no comparison here. It's like using your shoes inside your feet, and you told me, Jesus, the shoes is not my feet. And I'm telling you, no, of course it's not your feet, but you're using your shoes to walk, you know? So the shoes is part of your feet because you're using the shoes to walk from point A to point B. The same with stocks. I'm not saying the stock is alive or not alive, but no, stocks are used by people inside. So people inside the stocks. So you can't compare between people and stocks because people inside the stocks, you know? Okay, so Starbucks looking good. Nikola not that good. We got rejected here, but we have to watch for Nikola because we have a nice test here, and the volume is not bad. MNTS is about to break. CLLS, we have the $2.86 is the level of support. Palantir, yes, we have a great pump, but I think we're gonna have a pullback now because the 1842 is the resistance. It's time to have a pullback. Time to have a pullback. I think Kenny asked about Palantir. So if you can hear me, Kenny, Palantir is hitting a wall of resistance. Love is the answer, Sunray. Love is the answer, of course. Okay, let me just take Palantir from here. CLLS, man, CLLS looking interesting. We need to focus, guys. We need to focus on display because we have major news for this one yesterday, and the news is still make us hold over this support. So we might have a big pump for it because it's holding perfectly, man, over the $2. I'm watching this closely. Hit the like, guys. If you're watching our live streaming on the street, go to the people in front of you and ask them to like our live streaming, or just take their phone and go on our on their phone and check YouTube and put our name and just click the like button. This is will make us hit the 100 likes. This is one of the ways that you can actually bypass the system of YouTube, because YouTube saying everybody have one like, but no, you don't have to have one like. You just can make more likes from one person. Hydro Hasla. So this is by far the rarest sentence you ever hear in your entire life. I love my job. Like 99% when I talk to people, like in weekend when I go with my friends, when I ask them if they have all the money in the world, they gonna do their job or not? I ask them like this: if you have 1 million in your bank account right now, do you gonna wake up in the morning and go to your job? And you say, hell no, I'm gonna go to travel the world. Imagine, like 99% when I ask them this question, trick question. I don't ask them if they like their job. I ask them if they have the money. Let's say 5 million, 10 million. Some people say 1 million is not enough. I will tell them, okay, 5, 10 million in your bank account right now. Are you gonna wake up in the morning tomorrow? And he told them, nope, hell no. And I told him, why not? Why work in there? And he told me, no, I'm stuck. I can't actually move. I can't do anything because I have to pay the bills. So when I hear someone actually love his job, when I talk to them, they are really genuinely happy. And this is affect everything in their environment, the people they enjoy talking to. So yeah, it's really rare when I hear someone say, I love my job, even if I have money, I will do it. And they don't think about retirement, because think about it. If you like doing something, you're gonna do it even for free. You don't have to care about the money anymore if you do something you really like. And this is really rare to find, and it's really beautiful when you find it. You do something that you really love, even when you retire, you're gonna do it. This is the perfect spot to be in. Yeah, CLS is moving. IBRX is moving. We have a breakout, guys. IBRX is moving. $3.55. Interesting. CLLS is moving. Yes, CLLS is moving as well. Nice bottom here. Nice bottom, man. Nikola started to move once again. This is it, guys. We need to have another test for Nicola now. LF Williams, great hunt, brother. You know what I'm gonna do here? I'm gonna take two stocks from the list because they broke the support, and check if we have some stock that's ready to reverse. MULN not ready. TPST not ready, still holding the bottom. So yeah, we have a little list here. We have CLLS holding the support. MNTS is about to break. IBRX is kind of broke the resistance here. AMC looking okay. Nikola looking okay. So yeah, Nikola is the $1.16, everybody. $1.16 would be good to break. Again, guys, hit the like. Remember that we do our live streaming each day. Each day we do our live streaming. Each day we do our live streaming here. So if you want to join the party early, come before the market open by 30 minutes each day, brother and sisters, of course. Before we say brothers and we forget sisters, because we have at least 10% of the viewers are girls, or let's say independent women. But yeah, there is always percentage, but most people who trade most often are men. I'm not being sexist here, but this is the data. The data tell us that girls don't like investing. Girls like having fun and enjoying the money, but men like to invest and save money. I don't know, is that true, guys? Is that what explain why in investment and finance there is more men than women? Is that true because men like to invest and save and women doesn't? Let's see. Okay, let me do a poll to see how many women and how many men. Are you... Okay, let's see. Let's do a poll right now. We have over 100 people watching, but let's see how much the percentage. I will say like 70% boy and 30% woman. I think this is the percentage. I think men will 100% will win this game. I'm gonna stop doing trading if we have more girls than boys. Imagine. I'm gonna stop trading, guys. I'm gonna delete even my channel if we have more girls than boys. Impossible. This is impossible. It's like telling me that the sun will never rise tomorrow. This is how much certain from this poll. I'm much certain that we have at least 70% boy and 30% girls. This is crazy, man. Oh man, I forgot. Sorry. Yes, you're right. Others and they. I forget that, man. I don't want to make it complicated. You know, Rebaz, that our channel here, we make everything simple. We don't complicate things, okay? We don't complicate things. Yeah, man. This is crazy. This is even. I never thought that this number would be possible. 81%, man. 81% men. Yes, this is the man world. The finance, the trading is full of guys. You know, um, when when you have this kind of topic right now, people don't know like between man and woman, or they don't know how to explain a woman. You just go back in time, you know. Back in time, everything's simple. Like back in time, we don't have complexity, you know. Even in the financial thing, if you want to be like if you want to do work, you have to be a farmer, doctor, lawyer, something like this. Like you can't counting on your fingers. There's no much thing to eat. You know, if you go back home and you see your wife make you like mashed potatoes and like a bread or a soup, you be happy that you have a food on the table. Now we have unmanageable list of food everywhere, and you can demand it on your phone. The same with gender right now. We have male, female, and many others right now because we have options. We have the freedom of options. And this is good for some area and bad at the same time. Because once you have options, you can choose. You lose time by choosing. Like right now, a lot of people don't know if they are a girl or a boy. If you think about it, this is not the main problem in life, man. People get killed right now. There's a lot of wars happening. People don't care about what you are, like a man or a woman. They care about safety and food. Imagine. But when you have safety and you have everything, you consider the little things in life like this. I'm not a man, I'm not a woman. But if you think about it, some people don't have food on the table. Some people have wars, like some grenade thrown up on their homes. This is happening right now, man. It's happening right now. And this is sad, you know. Some people just think about the little things, and some people have the little things is not there because the survival or the basic need is not met. Oh man, I think they're gonna get us cancelled. Yeah, this is really dangerous zone to talk about, you know. CLLS started to reverse. Wow, we have 86 guys, 86. That's why I'm saying guys, I don't say girls, because we have just 13% girls. 13%, just 13%. And I said 70%. I was generous. Oh man, bring it on, next level, bring it on. Let's the community LLQ or LBQT to come here. But I doubt, man, I doubt it because those people, those people, they never come here and trade. They worry about other things like dancing or creative things, or I don't know. Short that cancel. If we could short it, we could short it, man. It would be good to short and put a lot of put option on this culture. CLLS, man, is about to do crazy thing here. CLLS, we might have another pump here, guys. Watch out. CLLS started to reverse from our bottom support, the $2.86. MNTS shorted. So yeah, CLS, guys, is about to squeeze once again. We already discussed CLS before. Let me just check. We have a question on our Discord. Dr. Aaron, I can't see the other channel for Discipline Hunter because your name is white, brother. You don't have full access, brother. You don't have access to our Discord because your name in white. Here you have to have, let me just show you. You have to have like Bran or John. John is Elite Hunter, so it's in red. For Bran is blue, is mean he's a Discipline Hunter. Let me just check Bran. Nice photo, man. Nice photo with the dog. Anyway, so yes, you don't have full access, brother. Just let me know your Patreon name to know which level are you and when did you join our Patreon. Can you hear me right now, brother? Just let me know. Just let me know if you can hear me. Let me know right now on Discord. I just like your comment. Give me your Patreon name at the same time. Tell me when did you join our Hunter channel to know which level are you. Okay. Hopefully we're not getting cancelled, guys, because we talked about really sensitive subject right now. And as everybody knows, here we focus on trading and good things. We don't never talk about politician or politics or something like this. We only spread love and compassion here on our channel. So yes, if you hear me, guys, if you are one of the others or they and you're kind of angry about what you heard, sorry again, and make sure to be a hunter and join our Hunter channel if you want to invest and learn about investing, because here we don't talk about those kind of subject. We're just curious, we talk about everything because everything is related in life. Everything, I mean everything is related. Yeah, Nicola's still looking good. CLS, I think we have a major resistance. Short seller is not moving, guys, around the $3.29. They're not moving, I'm telling you. Guys, we're missing 5 NPCs. We're missing 5 little kittings. 5 people, 5 men, 5 courageous men to hit the like button, to hit the 100 like. Maxime, man, I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you something really crazy. You said stock war. We have a war each day, guys. Just think about it. Your body, inside your body, there is a war between germs and bacteria and antibody Each day there's a war happening inside your body. Imagine. There is a war happening in the nature beside you, between birds and worms. There is a war between the fish and the fisherman. There is a war between particles and the sun waves and electromagnetic field and the earth and solar storm in the sky or in the outer space. There's every time there's war, but you don't see it. The moral of story is, you have to be a warrior. At the same time, you have to you don't have to fight. Sometimes you don't have to fight. You have to let it go. Because sometimes you can win. Because one fight that nobody actually win at, which is the fight between you and nature. Because we all gonna die. And our time is ticking. Like countdown. Each day we actually going near to the death. So this is the only war that we all gonna lose at. So why we fighting? Why we fighting between each other if we all gonna die? The most important war, nobody actually won at this war. It's between you and nature. So you have to let it go. You don't have to fight, man. So this is the only answer for the war that's happening everywhere. We should stop fighting and keep loving, because we all gonna die sometime in the future, because nature always wins. But human nature is crazy, because that's what happened century ago. People just like destruction and like to fight. Not everybody, but most of them. And this is human nature. We can actually change it. It's happening since centuries, you know. Punabiti, watermelon. We don't have watermelon, man. It's winter right now. How you can have watermelon? Okay, Nicola is preparing for another pump, everybody. Guys, press the like button and the way in. Press the like button. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Again, you can share our live streaming, because we always do our live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET. And today we had a great hunt for Starbucks, guys. It was a really good hunt. We closed our trade for our elite hunters. We opened this trade yesterday. Yes, before the market closed. And we took profit on the second profit taken. We got question. I joined the third. Okay, my name is Mpetian is Hector. Dr. Aaron, did you join during our one free trial, or let me just check right now. Hector, I'm gonna check right now, brother. Don't move. Don't you ever move. I'm watching you, okay? Don't go even to the bathroom. Don't go even to the bathroom. Hector. Yes, you joined during the free trial. Okay, now I got it. Dr. Aaron, I'm gonna give you the Discipline Hunter level because you are on the Discipline Hunter. I fixed that for you, brother. Right now you have access. now you're gonna have full access to our Discord, and you're gonna have access to Unicorn Hunt and Crypto Hunt. Okay, every time we do chart analysis update, brother, here after we finish our live streaming. Last time we did for CLS, it was a really nice bottom reversal, and before that we did for TUP, it was good hunt. So always watch for these updates, and if you are on the king level, you're gonna have access here for the king level. Okay, and if you are in the elite, you can have access to elite request. So if you are an elite, this is the only level that you can ask me any question regarding stocks that if you want to, like this question from Aman asked me about some trade, and I did the chart analysis update for him. So this is the only level that you can ask me a question during the market open. Okay, the elite hunters, and of course you have access to the elite one-day swing trade that we do almost daily for stocks like this Starbucks that pumped yesterday or today almost 12%, and we close our position today. That's why we call it one-day swing trade. We hold it just for 1 day, take profit and run. Perfect. Dr. Aaron have full access right now to the Discipline Hunter. Perfect. Nicola, guys, is pumping. We might have some action for Nicola right now before we finish our live streaming. Let's have action for Nicola, guys. I'm watching Nicola closely. Kurtz Lambesh, you are on the pitch on YouTube, brother. You are on the YouTube membership. So we have YouTube membership, which give you a star next to your name, which make it easier for me to spot you on the live stream and reply on your question. Plus on the YouTube membership, if you are on the first level, you don't have access to our pre-market update. But if you are on the second or the third level, you're gonna have the pre-market update, watch list, and chart analysis update after our live streaming end. So check your level, brother. If you are on the second or even the third is better, you're gonna have access to the chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming. So check your level. I don't see your level here. Jen, nice. Jen joined our live, our free trial, and now she said she's paying member. Thank you for the support, Jen Marble. Nicola looking good, guys. You know what I'm gonna do now? Of course, you guessed it. I'm gonna put some tea here, so don't move, guys, because I'm watching Nicola closely, because we might have a breakout right now, guys. We might have a breakout for Nicola coming up right now. So we're not closing our live streaming because I need to see this breakout. So just 5 minutes, guys. I'm gonna fill my cup of tea and continue our live streaming. So don't move. I'm back. What's going on? Yes, we didn't break yet. Kurt Lambesh, you didn't do it wrong, brother, because this is different platform. So YouTube membership give you the star next to your name, and this is good during our live streaming to reply on your question faster, because we have to put our paid member first, because to thank them for the support, of course. So by having the star next to your name, it would be easier for me to reply on your question on the live streaming. However, on the Patreon, there's no difference on Patreon or on the YouTube membership. If you have the Mighty Hunter, I think, yeah, the last level. So if you are on the last level on YouTube membership, is okay. You can have access to pre-market, short analysis update, everything. And if you want to have the star, then you can actually lower your level on the YouTube membership and go on Patreon for the Discipline Hunter. But Discipline Hunter now is sold out, I think, on Patreon. Jen, how is you in Discord? So you are already on Patreon, yes? If you are already on Patreon, I will send you the invite link to go on Discord to make you join our Discord. Perfect. Can you send me a message on Patreon right now? PM me on Patreon so I can send you the invite link to our Discord. This will be really simple for me to give you the invite link after we finish our live streaming. And of course, for not forgetting to give you the invite link. So just send it right now so I don't forget to send you the invite link later. Kurt, you can just lower your level. You don't have to cancel, because if you cancel, you're gonna lose your the star next to your name. So you just keep it on the first level on the YouTube membership, and of course you stay on our Patreon because you have joined our Patreon, I think, yesterday for the free trial on Halloween. Sunray, ask about some guitar playing. Good point. Maybe tomorrow. Dr. Aaron, you are welcome, brother. You are welcome. And welcome to our 100 tribe. Guys, we have a doctor in the house. We have a doctor in the house. Wait a second. We have one of our hunter have some problem with energy drink before. So Dr. Aaron maybe can give you some suggestions and some tricks to never have this trouble again. So guys, we have Dr. Aaron in the house in our community. This is really fun, you know, because we have wide range of people. A doctor, a lawyer, and some people have businesses, and so it's kind of a good place to networking, actually. So yeah, we have a really good community here on our Discord, and yes, it's our pleasure to have a doctor in our Discord. Welcome, brother. Kurt, if you have any questions, just let me know. I will be here for you, brother, to make it easier for you to comprehend the differences between platforms, because I understand what's going on here, guys. We have Discord, we have Patreon, we have YouTube, we have Twitter, we have many other platforms. It's too much, it's too much. And each platform have different thing, different things going on. So you have to start over. When you go to Discord, you don't know how to navigate things, So I understand. Anna Marie. Anna Marie, I think you are king level, not elite. You are on the king level. If you are on the elite, your name should be in red. Let me just check here. Anna Marie, you have your name. If it's your name like this, like John, in red, is mean you're elite. Otherwise, you are on the king level. Let me just check. What's your name on Discord? I don't know what's your name on Discord. But if you are king, your name should be in blue, like Gunther here. He's a king because his name in blue. So let me know what's your name color. What's your name color, Anna Marie? And of course, if you are elite, you can have access to ask me a question, chart analysis update during the market open. I think it's simple. It's just the name color. Blue is Discipline Hunter. Yellow is King. And the top level is the Elite, which is red. You are on Patreon. So, Anna Marie, can you give me your name on Patreon, or send me a message? Send me a message right now on Patreon, PM me, and tell me to invite you to Discord, okay? This will solve every problem. Just send me a message. I'm gonna give you an invite to Discord, make it easier for you. It should be automatically. When you join our Patreon, you have automatically join our Discord, but some of you don't know how to join Patreon to Discord, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Just send me a message right now so I don't forget. Still watching for Nikola break, guys? We're still watching for Nikola break. Kurt, YouTube charged more for me actually. For YouTube, they have a huge cut, almost 30%. They have a huge, I don't know, tax detachment, or I don't know. But to make it simpler, brother, to make it simpler, you just lower your level on YouTube and go on the Discipline Hunter on Patreon. This will be really easy to have the two perks on YouTube and of course on our Patreon, because you don't want to lose your star. As I said, if you cancel your membership on YouTube, you don't have the star next to your name, and it's really important for me to see you and reply on your questions. Anna Marie, perfect. I'm gonna check the message after we finish our live streaming. And I'm gonna give you the link, the invite link to Discord. After that, I'm gonna give you access to, I will check if you are in the King or the Elite. So if you are in the Elite, you can have access to this channel. This is really perfect channel here, Elite request. You have any question, I'm gonna send a short analysis. So yesterday, as you see here, a man asked us about Caterpillar and asked me if I should sell it or what's the chart. So I did chart for him to see if he could sell or buy. This is during the market open. So I'm not telling you buy here or sell there. I'm gonna send you the chart updated levels for any stock you ask me during the market. So this is good, and you can actually ask me here, Elite request. This is only for the elite hunters, okay? You can see it here. Guys, Nicola, we have a big seller around the $1.16. I'm still watching because we have earnings for Nicola today, and we have a really good reaction, and volume is 40 million, so it's not over. It's not over with AMC as well. For AMC, it's still over our MA. We have a nice kick over our MA. Today, maybe we're gonna have the $11. Jan, great. So we have two requests from Jan and Anna Marie for Discord invite. Okay, so I have to send two invite to our Patreon because they don't link their Patreon to Discord. I'm gonna solve the issue right now for you guys. Oli Turning just joined our Patreon. Great, brother. Welcome. Oli, just to make it easier for you, brother, if you don't know how to join your Patreon to Discord like Jen and Anna Marie, please let me know to fix it for you. And if you linked successfully Patreon to Discord, you have to have this, brother. You have to have your name in red or blue or yellow. So your name should be color. If you have like Bitterban, he have white name. His name is mean he don't have full access to our Discord. Okay, so make sure your name is colored. If not colored, let me know. Send me a message to fix this problem for you. Really simple, guys. This one you see, Discipline Hunter, this mean you are have access to our Discord. Otherwise, you don't have full access. Okay, I didn't receive any message, Jen. Can you make sure that you send the message to our Patreon? Just let me know because I can't see any message on Patreon. Dr. Aaron, what's the difference between king and elite? Perfect question. So for the elite, you can have access to like questions or live alert during the market open. So this is the only level that you have access to that. For example, one of our hunter yesterday have a question about cat, and he said, what's going on? I send the chart analysis update for entry, profit taken, everything. This is during the market open. So it's not pre-market, but even during the market, you can actually request for stock chart analysis update. For the king, you have access here for the king elite swing trade. So you have access to swing trade. For the discipline hunter, you have access to unicorn hunt and crypto. So if you are king, you have access to the 3 channels here: crypto, unicorn hunt, and king elite swing trade. If you're elite, you can have access to all of them. If you're disciplined, you have access just to. Okay, really simple, really simple. Okay, I think I got the message from you, brother. Perfect. Jen just asked me, or just send me the message. Anna Marie, I think I didn't get your message yet. Anna Marie, make sure to send me a message right now because I didn't get your message. You are welcome, Dr. Aaron. Anna Marie, if you can hear me, please send me a message right now on Patreon because I didn't see your message. For Jan, I just saw your message. And I'm gonna send you the invite right now, brother, before I close or finish our live streaming. Let me just send you the invite right now. I'm gonna invite you over, brother, right now. Try to, let me just check, not here. Invite people, but where's the thing here? Edit invite, yeah, no limits. One use, and okay, generate, copy. Brother, just check. Hi, brother. Here's the invite link. I just send you the invite link right now, brother. Perfect. I just send you the invite link. I just send you the invite link. Perfect. So now send me a message on the Discord to make sure if you are on the right level to give you full access, you know. So you don't have full access yet, brother. Is that you? Is that you, brother? Jan. Is not you, I think. This is a black dude. Anyway, we have a newcomer here, a new hunter. Welcome, brother. Yes, I know. So make sure to send me a message on Discord to see if you have full access or not. Nikola is about to go up, guys. Watch out. Emulan, yes, is up. Nice. Emulan, guys, is pumping. Emulan is pumping once again. Emulan is pumping. Watch out. I'm gonna do updates later on, guys. Watch out. Big updates coming up for you here on our unicorn hunt. Last one we did before for CLLS, we bought the dip after we finish our live streaming, and now we might do for Emulan. We might do for CLS once again, and Nikola, because it's about to break the resistance. We're gonna discuss the profit taken for Nikola, guys. It look really juicy, guys. Watch out. No, HBUC is not good, brother. We broke the support. It's gonna go down once again. It's not good. For Nikola, would be good if we broke the $1.16. We have to wait. Okay, Anna Marie sent me a message. I'm gonna send you the invite then. Let me just check if I got the message. Perfect. Hi. Yes, you are on the king level, Anna Marie. You are on the king level. If you want to upgrade, I will let you know how to upgrade. If you want to have access to questions during the market. Let me just give invite now to Anna Marie. Edit the invite, one news. I'll give you this invite. I'm gonna invite you over. Let's see. Let's bring Anna Marie to our Discord. Okay, let's see. Jan, yes, you see what's happening, brother? You see your name is white. It means you don't have full access. Let me just check at what level you are. Jean, can you give me the name of on Bitcheon? Yeah, I saw you. Yeah, I saw you. Yes, brother, your name is White. You can hear me here? Jean, are you still watching our live streaming? Exactly, brother. Exactly. If you want to have full access to our Discord, you have to upgrade to the King or the Elite. Elite, you can have access to everything, of course, but now you are on the Discipline Hunter. I'm gonna show you how, if you want to upgrade to the Elite level, is really easy. Let me just check. I'm gonna send you a message how to do that if you want to upgrade. I just sent you a message about how to upgrade if you want. Perfect. Let's go back. Nicola still not moving, everybody. Still not moving. Watch out. ZZ White, thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it, brother. I think this is the first time for you, ZZ, here. I didn't see you before. Next level, as we said, don't look for the results because Nicola is projection always in the future. Sometimes we have bad earnings, price jump up. We have good earnings, price jump down. So don't look too much for the earnings. Nicola, everything would be good and the sky would be blue again once we break the $1.16. That's why we're watching it, guys. Closely. Really, really closely. Wesley, we don't have a confirmation yet for AMC, but it looked good. AMC is still looking good. Breakout is getting near. Okay, guys, we have to call it for today. It was a really great hunt, everybody. We have a nice party for today for Starbucks because we hunted Starbucks yesterday on our elite hunt swing trade. It was a really good hunt, and of course we closed our trade near the 104, and we watched CLLS. We said there's a reversal, and we held actually over our support and we reversed, but we didn't take this trade. We have Nicola, we still watching. We might do short analysis update after we break the $1.16. We have Emulan, AMC, everything. If we have a breakout, guys, we're gonna do it later. Alligator here on our unicorn hunt. Last time we did CLLS, really nice dead buying, guys. So we have to watch for a good setup like this for today. So stay tuned for update here on our Discord and Patreon, and of course even on our YouTube membership if you are on the mighty level. So guys, so before I leave, we have a question here. Brother, you are on the Discipline Hunter. Just make sure if you have any question, if you are on the Discipline Hunter or the King, if you have a question after the live streaming, is me, we're gonna add it to the pre-market update here. Okay, pre-market alert. So if you have a question, I'm gonna cover it for you before the market opened the next day. Okay. However, right now we didn't finish our live streaming. I'm gonna check CLLS for you. Re-entry for CLLS, as we said, is over this level, the $2.86. And of course, there's another entry here around the $3.29 once we break it. Otherwise, I'm not entering because if we broke the support, it's mean a flushing down. Okay, the other entry will be down there. We're gonna do short analysis update for it, of course, later on. Hopefully you listen to me, brother. Let me just see what's your name. Oh man, your name is just emoji. Funny. Anyway, hopefully you hear me, brother. And yes, thank you for watching, everybody. We're gonna do short analysis update later on. You are welcome, Wesley. So we have to call it for today. Thank you for watching, everybody. We're gonna do major update later on. Tomorrow we have Power Hour on our Patreon, of course, and Discord. So stay tuned for that before the market close on our Hunter channel exclusively to have your Q&A and of course discuss crypto and the stocks play for the next week. And of course tomorrow live streaming as usual, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you guys for watching. Plus the like button on the way out. Share our live streaming because our live streaming will be automatically uploaded on our YouTube channel. And thank you for being here, spending your valuable time with us, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully we have another party for tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.